Hello first standard, how are you? In our first video of chapter number 2, we learned about our body parts. So what are they? They are eyebrows, eyes, nose, ears, teeth, neck, chest, stomach, thumb. We have one thumb in one hand and 4 fingers, total 5. Knee, ankle, toes, then hair, forehead, mouth, tongue, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hand, thigh, foot. Now we have some body parts in pairs and some are single. For example, we have 2 eyebrows, 2 eyes, means our eyebrows are in pair, eyes are in pair, nose is single, ears in pair, teeth, many teeth, neck single, chest single, stomach single, thumb, we have 2 thumb in 2 hands, it means it in pair. Then fingers, 8 fingers. Knee, we have 2 knees, it means knees are in pair, ankles in pair. Toes, we have 5 toes in one leg, like that. We have many hairs, we have one forehead, we have one mouth, we have one tongue, we have 2 shoulders, we have 2 elbows, we have 2 wrists, we have 2 hands, we have 2 thighs here, like this way. We have 2 foot. Is it? Yes. So you have to do one thing, you have to make a pair, make a column for single body part and body part in pair. You have to mention this in your notebook, which are in pair and which are single, this way. Here is an activity that you have to do in your notebook. Write down which part of the body are in pair and which are single. So we have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 thigh, 2 shoulders, 2 ankles, 2 thigh. We have 1 nose, 1 tongue, 1 stomach, 1 chest, 1 forehead, etc. Is it? Now you have a body parts. When you get your textbook, you have to write these. The arrows are given here. So which is this? This is hair, H-A-I-R, hair. Now what is this? This part of your face is called forehead, F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D. So you have to write forehead. Now what is this? It is ear, E-A-R. Now what is this? This part of your face is called cheek. This part of your mouth is called mouth. Now what is this? This is eyebrow. These are eyes. It is nose. And what is this? This is chin. Is it? Very good. Now we have different body parts and they have different works properly. For example, what is the function of our eyes? So our eyes are help us to see. If you don't have any eyes, or if you are unable to see without eyes, so we can see this beautiful world through our 2 eyes. We can see that apple is red, then rose is pink, yellow or white, then other colors of around you, or you can see the beautiful things which is around you. You can see tree, flowers, different types of vehicles through your eyes. Is it? Now neck. So what is the function of neck? So my head rests on my neck. हमारा फेस कहाँ पे है? गर्दन पे. I can turn my head with the help of my neck. जो आपका फेस है वो आप टर्न राइट टू लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट टू राइट कैसे कर सकते हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ नेक. जो आपकी गर्दन है उसके थ्रू आप लेफ्ट या राइट अपनी आईज या अपना पूरा फेस घुमा सकते हैं. नाउ हैंड्स. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ आवर हैंड्स? आई राइट एंड होल्ड द थिंग्स विथ माई हैंड्स. आप हाथ से लिख सकते हैं, चीज़ों को पकड़ सकते हैं, क्लैप कर सकते हैं. दिस ऑल वर्क इज थ्रू दिस योर हैंड्स. इज इट? ये वेरी नाइस. नाउ व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ आवर टंग? टू टेस्ट, है ना. द फूड इज स्पाइसी, सोर, बिटर या सॉल्टी. ये सारे टेस्ट हमको कैसे पता चलते? थ्रू द हेल्प ऑफ आवर टंग. नाउ हाउ कैन यू ब्रीथ? यू कैन ब्रीथ एंड स्मेल थ्रू आवर नोज. हमारे नोज से हम ब्रीथ भी करते हैं एंड स्मेल भी करते हैं. कहीं से कुछ अच्छा खाना, फॉर एग्जांपल कहीं कुछ अच्छा खाना बन रहा हो तो उसकी स्मेल किससे आती है? हमको हमारे नोज़ से. कुछ अच्छा खाना सा पक रहा हो, जैसे कि आपको अगर पिज़्ज़ा पसंद है या पास्ता पसंद है तो वो कैसे स्मेल कर सकते हो आप उसकी टेस्ट स्मेल? नोज़ से, है ना. सो व्हाट इज़ द फंक्शन ऑफ अवर लेग? वी कैन स्टैंड, वॉक, डांस, रन और जंप विद द हेल्प ऑफ अवर लेग्स, है ना. खड़े रहते हैं, चल सकते हैं, डांस कर सकते हैं, दौड़ सकते हैं, जंप कर सकते हैं. किससे? थ्रू आवर लेग्स के हेल्प से हम लोग ये सारा काम कर सकते हैं, है ना. वेरी नाइस. ओके, सो हियर today's session is over. You have to learn this and try to understand.